Alright, so for this project, you will need 2 glass bowls, 2 tea light holders, 2 knobs, E6000 glue, and rubbing alcohol. You just want to go ahead and get this all cleaned out. And guys, I would not use this particular knob here. They're not good. They came right off. So I'll leave something better in the description bar below. And you just want to go ahead and apply a generous amount of glue to this. Flip your bowl over and apply that in the center. And just make sure it's right in the middle. Apply pressure. And that's it. You want to go ahead and do the same thing for the next one. Make sure it's in the middle, apply pressure, and you want to let this dry for about 24 hours. You want to go ahead and apply your knob, same thing, applying pressure, make sure it's in the middle. That's it. There you go, guys. Now I have a beautiful, beautiful topper for this piece that I've had for a while. And I can do many things. I can use this for many different things. And for a Dollar Tree version, you just need a candlestick holder, a glass plate, and look at the topper. That looks beautiful. But unfortunately, I had this out drying and my cats ran into it and they broke the entire thing. I was really sad, but I had to get over it. Anyways, goodbye. Project number 2. I have here, oh my goodness, guys, that was fast. So you need these 3 items, some rubbing alcohol. Don't want to get rid of the bottom piece because we'll need that for our later project. You just want to take that off, clean it, apply your E6000 glue, apply it to the center, add pressure, and there you go, guys. That is it. It looks absolutely beautiful. Project number 3, we're doing our coffee bar. You need 2 mirrors, a vase, and E6000 and your hot glue gun. Make sure the edges of the mirror is not sharp, guys. And I lost some footage, but there's a top. I weighed it down with a candle. And I let it dry, and now it's ready. Time to decorate. I need some hazelnut and some vanilla syrup that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill up these little bottles with them. And I also found these bottles at the Dollar Tree, guys. Oh, the vanilla smelled so good. I had to smell it. I love smelling things. And I just went ahead and filled that one up also. And there you go. And I'm going to put them towards the back. I think that looks really good right there. Yep, that's perfect, guys. And you guys remember this from project number 2? Right, so we're going to need that to hold all of our stirs that I also picked up from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to place that there. And we're going to need our coffee creamer. Just add that on there. I got that little glass bowl from Princess House along with this one here. It was actually a thrift store find. And you just want to fill that up with your coffee. And for my sugar, I'm using one of these here. This was a DIY project. It was a really cool find. And I just wanted to elevate it a little bit. And I went and I put my sugar in there. And I think that looks really good. And our project from number 2, I think that's going to fit perfect. I also put some cinnamon because I love cinnamon in my coffee. Not all the time, but just sometimes. And the little container is also from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with some cookies, Oreos to be exact, and just bring it back. That looks really good, guys, and I'm really, really happy with the way that my coffee bar turned out. It was so easy. Anyone can do this. Like, seriously, anyone can do this. Guys, try this at home. Like I said, it was super easy, and it looks really, really good, really glam. And